Hey everyone, welcome to Trade with Rob, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Thursday, November 13th, 2025. Hope you're having a great day, and I hope it has been a fantastic trading day for you. As we get started, keep in mind, everything we look at is for education. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. If you find something you like, anything, make sure it fits your own personal risk profile and risk tolerance. Okay, so let's start off with our candidates from yesterday, DDOG, and these were actually for the 11th. So last date on the calendar on the chart is the 11th. You can see in the upper left-hand corner there. So we opened up slightly down on DDOG, moved up and failed. So let's go look at our 5-minute candle. And you can see, let me zoom in a little bit, maybe a little too much. So we closed up right here. We had great close. We pushed a little higher. We failed. Right off of there, and on this candle is where we took the long entry we bought to put on that candle. We got in that trade when the stock was sitting at 199.60 bearish, so we bought puts. We got out at 197.80, $129.60, low on the P&L side, but we'll take it. We did get all three trades off today, so that's good. Next is going to be ELF, ELF. Time of the year, baby, elf on the shelf. So 80.45 low price stock for us. Let's go look at a 5-minute candle. Let's go put that back. I didn't want to click there. I'm going to click down there. So you can see, I'd like to see the 1 minute of what's gone on in the beginning of the day and see what happened there. So here's my 1 minute. You can see on the 11th at the bottom. We closed right at the fib line, gap down, ran down on that candle. We're in at $80 on that candle, right? We got out at 78, so $144 of profit on ELF. I'll take it. And the last one is TECL. Let's go back to a daily chart. So a lot of movement, but very much a doji-like candle there. So let's go take a look at a 5-minute chart. See what we got. There it is. So we closed on this candle right here at closing price of 136. We've got 136.66. We stretched all the way up to a high on this candle of 136.45. So 15, 16 cents away from there, and we failed. So we took the trade on that candle. Right, and that was at 135.60. We took a bearish trade. We got out at 135.20, so we're up $28.80 on that one. Really not a lot of profit on that one, but it's better in the green than it is in the red, baby. I'll take it all day long. We got 76 winning trades since January 1 of this year. 10 trades that have gone against us, no break evens. 86 trades in total, which are $295.48 is the average P&L per trade that we deal with. Right, so overall, really nice setup. Right, next we'll go look at some candidates for today. All right, so we've got a little bit of time left for the market to close, about 45 minutes. I'm not going to be here towards the end of the day. I wanted to get this video out. Everything is going to set up fairly close unless we get a big move, and you'll know how to handle it if we do. So we're down right now about a point on the S&P. We were up at a nice move there. The Dow has hit an all-time high today. Gold is up. Oil is down. Everything's doing what we wanted. Indices are up. Futures are down. Futures meaning the gold. Well, gold is up, which is good. But oil is down, which I want because I'm negotiating oil contract for the house for our heat for the next year very shortly. Bitcoin is down a little bit, down to about 102. I think it's the last I saw. So let's go check out a couple of candidates today, all in alphabetical order. So ALB is the very first one. We'll go look at the entire fib. Life is good, man. I love that fib. I like this one mostly for the downside, or first choice to the downside, I should say. So break that 157 level, retest and fail. It doesn't have to come all the way up to the 157. Just get in the area, right? Take the trade as it fails. Stop just above that 157. Below, I said below and above together. If 144 is support, my target's going to be about 145. I got a lot of room on this sucker to go. A lot of room here. To the upside, if it does, small move up, retest, and bounce. We're going to have 173 is resistance. So my target's going to be right about 172. 172 and a quarter, half, somewhere around there. You make the call. As it bounces, take the trade. Again, doesn't have to make it all the way down to the 157. Stop will be down below support. Rob, where do I set my stop? How do I set my targets? Guys, go into the members area of Trade with Rob, and if you're not a member, it's free. Go over to tradewithrob.com, register for free. You'll get access to a members area with 2 training videos in there. One is about an hour and a half long. It's everything about the switchback trade, which is the trade setup we're dealing with. There's 2 directions to take this trade. As long as it moves, we don't care which way, just move. That's all I needed to do. And there's a trade available. As you saw, all 3 trades from the previous day went off. Register there, and inside the video, the main video, the hour and a half long one, the other one is only about 10 or 15 minutes long, and it's a high volatility trade setup. You'll see how I set stops and targets, and then you'll get an idea of how you should be looking or considering for yours. ETN, let's go look at the full fib. All right, good fib. I like it a lot. I'm glad we kind of broke down to where we did. I would much prefer to see this one move down, break that 366, retest and fail. Doesn't have to come all the way back up. Take the trade on the fail. Stop will be somewhere on the other side of 366. If my support level is at about 356, my target's going to be about 358. Right? For the upside, if it does bounce, we're going to use that 8 and 21 combo in there. So right about 376 is going to be resistance, which means my target, well, let's do this first. We make a move up, retest, and bounce. Right? Take the trade on the bounce, put the stop down below support. My target's going to be right about 374. So I still have a decent room movement in there, $6 or $8. Overall, I'm happy with it. And then last, and certainly not least, is Goldman Sachs. Love Goldman, man. They're part of our power option plays. We have done phenomenal with them this year. I'll share those numbers one day with you guys. Let's do this. Let me unscrunch. Let's bring it back out. And now let's squeeze it down a little bit. There we go. So now we can see everything a little better. I like the upside faux sure for the best one. It's my preference. Small move up. Retest at 834 and bounce. 859, 860 is resistance. Right? We're going to take the trade off of the bounce. Stop just down below support. If resistance is at 8, we'll call it 860. My target's going to be about 858, 857. Somewhere in that area. All right? For the downside, fail, retest, and drop. Right? Take the trade as it fails. Support's at 809. My target is at 811. Remember, your stop would be just on the other side of that fib line. And there you have it, everyone. So with that, make it a profitable day. Stay focused on the quest to becoming a great trader. Keep crushing it. And remember, you're just one trade away. Guys, there are 22 candidates on my list today. I just shared with you 3. The way to get the access to all the others, along with the trainings and everything in the members area and so forth, and notifications that the video is done, make sure you go over to Trade with Rob and register for that for free, and you'll get access to all of this immediately. Have a great one. See you soon. Bye for now.